makes you not too fast.
We're 500 miles away from the closest city in one of the most desolate, waterless...
Where's she hiding? He's over there. Go get him. Chai Chai. Chai.
Come here, Chai.
Chai. Uh-oh. Where'd your brother go?
It's too long for him to be gone without him peeing.
What are you doing? Uh-oh. Not under the bed. Holy shit.
I'm worried about him stepping on her sometime.
He just went through my legs. Come on. There she is. There she is. Go get him. Go get her.
Look at all the places that he can't get her, so she's just like, I'm gonna hide right there.